rise and grind. Whoa, let's turn down way too much.
Good morning.
Let's go. Good morning. We're going to go get some cardio done, and today's vlog is going to be fun because I don't watch a lot of YouTube, but Frankie does. And let's get situated. Frankie does. So she told me that we have not really done. Sorry, I need my shoes. We have not really done like a get to know us vlog. Now, even though a lot of you, some of you, have maybe been following me since the car content, which is absolutely crazy. Some of you don't know about me because you haven't been following me that long. Some of you don't know anything about my girlfriend and what we do and what we think and what we accomplish, or just, I don't know, what is this, how is this like?
It's like show get to know us beyond weight loss, beyond like all of the accomplishments, like who we are.
Who we are.
Yeah, what we like.
I'm boring. Anyways, let's go get cardio. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna bring you guys along with us.
The dash is busy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil
Okay, finish up cardio. I did 22 minutes actually. I fat hand smacked that thing. I almost fell off of whatever it is. Anything to get the right clip. Cardio is finished. We're gonna go shower. We're about to separate real quick.
That I glowed.
If you don't, honestly, I'm sorry people. If you don't look like this after cardio, what are you doing? Also, I still gotta do my pull-ups. So anyways, while saying no, we're gonna separate for a second, then we're gonna go in the store. Frankie's gonna go hang out with Mike Nail Tech and go get some coffee somewhere. But you know what? We want to bring along with our cooking, or our shopping and our cooking. So we're gonna shut the camera off and we're turning it back on in the grocery store. Because honestly, let's be honest, that's what you guys want to see, what we're eating. But first, we're gonna knock out some pull-ups real quick. Let's go for 10. All right, let's get to the grocery store. All right, so we are making, what are we making?
Beef bulgogi from our ebook. It's gonna be on volume 6.
Cool, it'll be below. So we decided to do a get to know about us while we're meal prepping for the week because it's actually Sunday for us. And we're gonna get into it because at the end of the day, we always preach about meal prepping. We don't really show you how we meal prep. And also too, I don't know, it's like, we don't have time to film everything. Well, now we do. Actually, now we do.
But this video is gonna be a get to know us outside of weight loss because I feel like that's like mainly what you know about us, but there's a little bit, we're more interesting than that, I'll say.
And Weezy had made me and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your money records, the army, the navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the rice. Big Tuna's gonna get that going. It's just 1 cup loaf.
All right, so get to know us though, right? I mean, it really doesn't matter what we're cooking. It's in the ebook. But what are we talking about? Like, what do we get to know us? Like, I've never done a get to know us before, so one thing I've been focusing on is talking to Instagram like I'm on a FaceTime. I'm gonna do 1 cup only?
1 cup, yeah, because it's for 5 servings.
Okay.
So, let's start with, where did you grow up?
I grew up in Orange County, California.
So you're OC.
I'm Orange County born and raised. I was born in Yorba Linda, and I was raised in, I would say, between Fullerton and Boynton Park my whole entire life.
Okay.
What about you?
I was born in East LA, but
Damn!
the majority of my childhood, I was raised in Riverside County, so Moreno Valley. This man saved me from Moreno Valley.
The hood.
The hood.
The hood.
Okay. Now, I have them on my phone too. Do you have any siblings?
Yes.
How many?
I have, if we were talking about blood siblings or we're talking about half siblings,
Let's
just talking
go
about
double.
siblings or
Let's go
general?
both.
I think I look at them all the same. So
Okay.
yes, I have 2 sisters and I have 2 brothers.
Okay. I have 9 siblings, so I'm one of 10. It's 4 girls and 6 boys. I am the oldest, I'm 36 years old, and then the youngest is only 9 years old. Crazy, huh?
That's a big
He
jump.
could be my son.
Yeah, that's a big difference, honestly. Also, don't forget to clean your rice.
Yes.
Let's see. 2 pounds of beef done 13 C's soy sauce. What the heck is 13 C?
It's 1/3 cup.
1/3 cup.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to understand that? What? That says 13C.
That says 1/3C, a third cup. In chef talk.
Yeah, well, I'm not a chef.
know.
I just like to eat, so therefore, that's a lot. That's good.
I know. Well, it's because there's no salt. That's it.
I hope not.
What's your favorite food?
Let's see. My favorite food, Taco Bell. Be
Really?
honest. Yeah, I mean, my favorite food is
I
my
thought you were
favorite.
gonna go sushi.
My favorite, bro. Yeah, okay, well, I still, yeah, okay.
Give
It
the
depends.
chubby version.
2 tablespoons. This is where you get your tablespoon. This tablespoon.
TBSP is tablespoon. TISP is small.
Oh, okay. Seed oil. No, that's not right.
That's me oil. So Taco Bell.
Taco Bell is like my guilty pleasure. I've always gonna love Taco Bell. I feel like people like to lie and say they lose weight and they don't like certain things anymore. I love Taco Bell, but obviously I don't like the results I get from Taco Bell. So I will say, yeah, I will definitely say sushi. I enjoy having sushi. I can eat sushi every single day because I don't know. I love it. I like sushi. It's really good. And then and when I'm saying sushi, I'm not talking about like tempuras and frieds and stuff like that. I'm talking about like actual sushi, sashimi style, just regular a little piece of rice with fish on top. Like that's what I like. I'm like into the sauce. I love sauces, but ever since I started losing weight, I started changing the way I eat. I'm not a big sauce person anymore. I like soy sauce, and I also like soy sauce and I like sriracha. Like those are my 2 sauces that I use the most, that I love the most. Now when it comes into like my day-to-day eating and stuff like that, I do use a lot of hot sauce, but it's usually homemade and stuff like that.
So my favorite food is just carbs. Any carb is good in my book. I like sourdough bread. Actually, I'm not like that great into pasta, but like any breads is my favorite food. Okay, now savory or sweet, love?
Sweet.
So you're more sweet than savory.
Yeah, no, I like birthday cake. I could literally live off of no other sweet other than having birthday cake.
I'm into both, but I guess it just depends on the day. Okay, favorite TV show or movie?
Oh my gosh. You just have to be smarter than these things, I guess, you know? All muscle, no brains. There it goes.
Favorite TV show or movie of all time?
Favorite movie, Step Brothers. Favorite TV show, Big Bang Theory. Or Wednesday.
Favorite movie?
I'm allergic to your bullshit.
Favorite movie for me is The Little Princess. That was like all time. Show, Sex and the City always.
TBS. Honestly,
For
I'm
women.
gonna be 100% honest with you. The old vinegar, TBS, right? TBS. Got it.
Oh, that's a tablespoon here. You can use this one. I forgot to pee.
Oh, I was like, hold on. Look it. I am beyond dyslexic. You cannot, if you say stuff, write something, I'm gonna follow it. You can't make a mistake.
But if you get the ebook, it's on there right.
Yeah, we don't know because she makes ebook. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you right now.
What?
This vlog is corny.
Is it?
Yeah, I don't like it. I feel like it's like very, like freaking, I don't know. Like I feel like it's very lame, honestly. What do you guys think? I hate this. I'm telling you now, I hate it. I don't like it. I feel like this is not us. I feel like we're reading something that, I mean, I don't know. I'd rather just cook with you and then just kind of see how it goes. Because like I feel like right now I'm in a character and I don't like being in a character. I like just being myself. I like saying stupid shit. I like cooking. I like eating. Like, I don't know.
You said figure out what you want to talk about. I did, so then now it's on you.
Yeah,
So what
let's
do you
just
want
cook.
to talk about?
I just think we should just cook.
It's corny,
I think that was
or is it
cringy.
like it's out of your comfort zone?
I think it was very cringy.
Cringy?
Yeah, I think that was very cringy. I think like I'd rather sit here and cook with you and talk shit and have a normal relationship than like be like, oh well, what makes your heart pitter patter? I don't give a fuck.
Mi
Honestly.
amor, it was for people to get to know us, but
This is us.
You, and then put this one in there.
This one?
You
See?
take over this vlog, baby. Fuck you.
We are more than weight loss for sure, but we're a pretty fun couple. Like, you know, at the end of the day, and I say pretty fun, like you might not think we're fun, but
Hey, were
I
you
mean,
cringy
I jumped,
this whole time?
I was dying. Oh my god, I was dying, everyone. Like, please go back, Jay, go back and cut to my face. Taco Bell. Be
Really?
honest. Yeah. And like now,
Yeah,
I could
you're
be
trying to
more
be a good
myself. I was
sport.
trying to be a good sport, but I couldn't. I wanted to do it for so long, right? It's like at the end of the day, it's like when we document our stuff and we are these people. I always want to be the same person on social media in real life. I'm very immature. I am a weight loss coach. I'm a life coach, and I'm immature because I'm realistic, and also I want to enjoy my life as I live it. I don't want everything just to be like, you have to be perfect. You have to be this. You have to be that. Like my answer, In-N-Out. You're like, oh, I thought you say sushi. No, or no,
say
so Taco Bell.
In-N-Out?
Sorry, Taco Bell. I love Taco Bell. I am still a fat boy at heart. I just know that I want to be able to see my dick, so I can't be eating Taco Bell every single day.
So you do it for us.
I do it for me,
So we
but
can
yeah,
so
like,
we
you
can
know.
both see it.
Yeah, so it's just one of those things where I feel like we're in a time right now where I think everyone's starting to get tired of being sold like this perfect relationship and perfect
No,
life.
we're not.
To where it's like, I think if we start falling into that trap, I think we're gonna end like all the other people that think they're perfect, fucking broken up. Anyways, look at this. Looks like shit, but it's gonna taste good. I've had this before.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah.
When the rice is done, don't forget to unplug it because it will go into warm mode and you don't want to keep it warm, then it dries to the bottom and then you burn the bottom part of your rice. I've learned that from the chef, Boy R. Big Booty over here.
It's always really good to have food in your fridge. You know how people would say, oh, there's food at home. They were
Yeah.
right. When your parents were like, no, there's food at home. Because if I go to McDonald's, I'm going to have like that moment of like, hell yeah. But then I feel like crap after. But there's been times where, even recently, where I'm just like, I want food. And then we were going to go get something, but for some reason, thankfully, we forget and we just drive home. But then we have like so many things to put together, and within like 3 minutes, literally 3 minutes of walking in the house, we're already eating a better meal than we would have if we would have done driving home.
Yeah. So it's like, yeah, like it is funner to eat that stuff eating out, but it
Only in
costs
the
more
moment.
money. Yeah, it's in the moment, it costs more money, and you're not gonna feel like crap eating food like this. And like, let's be honest, like it's not boring food. Oh, that's really good. It's not boring food, right? We don't season our rice at all, usually because everything we mixes with stuff. And plus, I never know what I'm gonna eat with it.
We also do fluffy rice. Every time, fluffy rice.
Yeah.
Actually, now I want to show you this. This is our meal now. Jay, can you please use your editing skills? Can you help me? To input a broccoli emoji here because this meal is supposed to have broccoli, but someone didn't want to have their veggies.
Waste of
in it.
space.
He didn't want to have his veggies, but what does it look like? I say like 20 minutes, right?
But this vlog, we just wanted to see how our cooking looks like and just get to know a little bit more about us and what we do in a day. And today is a full content day of shooting.
Today was also a treat because normally you do love to help me in the kitchen, but normally the time isn't there for you to be in
But
the
we
kitchen.
made more time. We've been making
did.
more time, and I'm actually this is my first week of having more time in life in a very long time. But it's not time to have fun. It's not time to mess around. It's time to work, but it's time to work with her. And she doesn't have so much on her plate because she knows I have a lot on my plate. So now it's like we have 100% and we kind of went 50. We're going 50-50, except sometimes like some situations like 80% her, 20% me. Some it's 90% me, 10% her. And sometimes 100% me or 100% her. So, we're just kind of like delegating our time to different things. And like now it's a Sunday, we have a lot to do today, which to you be like, holy crap, that's an easy day. But to me, this is an easy day. Making content is so easy for me because I believe in my program and I believe in the weight loss and stuff like that.
You believe in the mission.
So when you believe in something, it's not making content, it's just documenting your conversation or your day.
And then we restructured our weeks. So technically a Sunday is not the end of a week for us like it normally is for people. Now Sunday is the first day of the week and that's our first work day.
Yeah. Speaking about work day though, we need to start cleaning up this kitchen because now that we are done with cooking, we need to start creating content. And I think this can be done. I think we're gonna end the vlog here just because the content we need to create, we're gonna be using this camera. There's no way we could shoot a vlog and shoot with this camera. I mean, there probably is, but I'm not gonna lie. Like, I just wanted to make this video to get to know who me and Frankie were. I think this camera angle is horrible, actually.
I kind of liked it.
I look have big tits.
You do have big titties.
Damn. All right, cover them like this. All right, no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, let us know if you want to keep on. No, don't let us know. We'll keep on doing stuff like this. We want to keep on documenting. We're playing with like the not with the algorithm. We're playing with like the form of content how we put out on YouTube. And we want to keep on progressing and getting better because now that we have a team, we have no choice but to get better because now we're not feeding ourselves, we're also feeding other people.
And it's really new to us. Well, YouTube is not new to you, but it's very new to me to be like on this side of the camera. So
You do good.
thank you.
Everyone sees it. Comment down below.
But I'm not
Don't-
performative. Like this is my energy every day. So I'm not like, hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Yeah,
You're
no.
not gonna get that from me. This is a mood always.
Lame.
You liked it?
No, I didn't say you're lame. I like
Oh.
that's lame. Like
Well, I wanna
see
start
the video-
fighting.
Yeah, like in the video, it's like we're trying to like this and like
Welcome back to our channel.
yeah, we're gonna be ourselves. We love it. So hope you enjoyed it. Go make this recipe. It's down below. Ebook is also down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Yep. Who
you
are
don't-
individual?
You don't want to turn into the H family?
No, yeah. Didn't that guy get caught cheating like a whole bunch of times? Like, wasn't he like an actual asshole? I don't want to be that person.
Nah, I'm cool with you just being crazy.
Super fan. Fuck me good, I'm